Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G04, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then click on the power button right here. And when you see your boot options, you want to hold power off. When you do so, it changes into reboot to safe mode, so you want to confirm it by selecting OK. Wait for the device to boot back up, and once it does, it will automatically go into safe mode. Now in this mode, only the pre-installed applications will work, so any app that you have installed yourself or the device installed after the setup will be temporarily disabled. That will also include things like widgets. So as long as you're in safe mode, you can't use any application that you've installed yourself, and obviously this is designed to help you troubleshoot your device. If you have maybe downloaded some malware that is preventing you from using your device correctly, putting it into this mode obviously would prevent application from creating any kind of havoc, and you can get rid of it. Now let's see if we have any applications that won't work here visible. Just give it a second. And we do. So basically all these applications right here won't work, and you can quickly discern them because they become monochrome and also semi-transparent. And if you try to open them up, it gives you the pop-up right here, downloaded apps, disabled in safe mode. Now once you're done with the safe mode and you want to go back to the normal mode, find the power button once more. And this time around, all you need to do is just select restart. When the device reboots, it automatically goes back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.